The following tutorial describes a new tailored service exclusively available to our lab partners, the Atlantis Abutment Milling Service. Let's begin. This service enables labs to submit their 3-shape designed custom abutments directly to Atlantis for milling, a workflow that has not been available in Atlantis until now. With this, we combine competitive pricing with exceptional service, making it an attractive option for labs looking to expand their capabilities. The turnaround is quick, just 2 days, and with a delivery performance of over 98%, it's incredibly reliable. And when it comes to quality, this service is backed by more than 25 years of world-class milling expertise, along with a comprehensive warranty that gives labs real peace of mind. From a technical perspective, the abutments are designed within a supported envelope using the DME file and manufactured using the same machines and tools as standard Atlantis production. Labs can design freely within the defined parameters and choose between titanium or gold-shade titanium materials. The implant connections available are the same as those used in current Atlantis abutments. Once the design is complete, the case is sent from 3Shape Dental Manager to DS Core, where the order can be reviewed and placed. Progress can be tracked either in DS Core's order dashboard or directly in 3Shape Dental Manager. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about Newdie's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.